Feeling overwhelmed by debt? You're not alone. Did you know that over 60% of people in debt never try to negotiate with their creditors? That's money left on the table, and it doesn't have to be you. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to negotiate with creditors and win. Whether you're drowning in credit card bills, medical debt, or personal loans, these steps can help you regain control of your finances. Let's get started. First, you need to understand your position. Creditors want their money, but they also understand that they might not get it all if you're struggling. That's where negotiation comes in. Here's a key fact. Creditors would rather recover part of the debt than risk you defaulting entirely. That gives you leverage. Know your rights. For example, under the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, debt collectors are prohibited from harassing you or providing false information. Use this knowledge to protect yourself and approach the situation confidently. Preparation is key to winning any negotiation. Start by gathering all the necessary documents, your account statements, payment history, and any correspondence with your creditor. This will help you understand the full picture of your debt. Next, analyze your financial situation. How much can you realistically afford to pay each month? Do you have a lump sum saved for a settlement? Knowing your numbers will help you set clear goals for the negotiation. And remember, the goal isn't to eliminate the debt entirely. Creditors are unlikely to agree to that. Instead, aim for a reduced payoff amount, lower interest rates, or a manageable payment plan. Now let's talk about the negotiation itself. When you call your creditor, start by explaining your situation honestly. For example, say, "I've recently experienced financial hardship and I want to work out a solution to repay my debt." State your hardship. Offer a solution. Be polite but firm. Stay calm and confident. Creditors are trained to push back, but don't let that intimidate you. If they refuse your initial offer, don't be afraid to counter. For instance, if you propose a settlement of 50% of the debt and they decline, ask if they'd accept 60%. Always take detailed notes during the call. Record the names of people you speak to and the terms discussed. This will protect you if there's a misunderstanding later. There are three main strategies you can use: lump sum settlements, payment plans, and reducing interest rates. Let's break them down. Lump sum settlements. If you have a lump sum saved, offer to pay it in exchange for the debt being marked as paid in full. Creditors often accept less than the full amount if they get the money up front. Payment plans. If a lump sum isn't possible, ask for a payment plan with reduced monthly payments. Be realistic about what you can afford and stick to the agreement. Interest rate reductions. If your debt has high interest, request a lower rate. This can significantly reduce how much you pay over time. Once you've reached an agreement, always get it in writing. Verbal promises mean nothing if they aren't documented. Ask the creditor to send you a formal agreement outlining the terms. And don't stop there. Monitor your credit report to ensure the creditor reports the debt accurately. Mistakes can happen, and you have the right to dispute them if necessary. Finally, stay committed to your plan. Consistently making payments or fulfilling the settlement terms will not only resolve your debt, but also rebuild your financial confidence. Negotiating with creditors doesn't have to be scary. With preparation, confidence, and the right strategies, you can regain control of your finances and take the first step toward a debt-free life. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on managing your money. And let me know in the comments, what's the first step you're going to take? Remember, you've got this.